In this video, we will talk about forget AI coding. The real money is somewhere else, so make sure to watch the full video. AI coding has become the latest buzzword in tech, with many people flocking to learn it, hoping it will be the golden ticket to wealth. However, the truth is that the real money lies elsewhere. While AI coding has its place in the tech world, it's no longer the exclusive path to financial success it was once thought to be. As the market for AI skills becomes oversaturated, other industries are rising, offering more lucrative opportunities. From niche markets to entrepreneurial ventures and passive income streams, there are better ways to make money than jumping into the AI coding hype. 1. Why AI coding isn't the golden ticket it's made out to be. Many are rushing to learn AI coding, believing it's the key to financial success. However, the reality is that AI coding isn't the instant ticket to riches that it's often portrayed to be. As more and more people jump on the bandwagon, the market for AI coders is becoming oversaturated. Competition is fierce, and the demand for AI coding skills is not as high as many would like to believe. While AI coding has its place in tech, it's no longer the golden ticket to wealth that it once seemed to be, especially as automation continues to grow. 2. The real money lies in niche markets outside AI. While AI coding seems to be everywhere, some of the most lucrative opportunities actually lie in niche markets outside of AI. Specialized fields such as blockchain technology, cybersecurity, and digital marketing are experiencing tremendous growth and offering significant financial rewards. By focusing on these areas, you can tap into more specific, high-demand markets with less competition. AI coding, on the other hand, is now a broad field where differentiation and specialized skills are required to stand out. The true money-making potential is in mastering areas that are less saturated and more tailored to emerging industries. 3. The myth of AI coding as a high-paying job. It's often claimed that AI coding is one of the highest-paying jobs in tech, but the reality is far more nuanced. While salaries for AI-related positions may be high in certain companies, the overall landscape is much more competitive and saturated than many realize. As more people enter the field, the demand for entry-level AI coders has diminished, and companies are looking for specialists with niche expertise. Those entering the market now may find that the high-paying job they hoped for is harder to land. The myth of AI coding as an automatic high-paying job is no longer as accurate as it once was. 4. Why AI coders are easily replaceable by automation. One of the biggest risks of diving into AI coding is the potential for automation to render those skills obsolete. As AI continues to advance, even the process of coding is being automated. Platforms like automated code generators are already helping to build applications without requiring extensive coding knowledge. This means that AI coders are increasingly at risk of being replaced by the very technology they work with. While coding will still have its place, automation is reducing the need for large teams of human coders, making this once coveted field more precarious than it appears. 5. How traditional industries are earning more than AI tech. It may seem like the tech world is the ultimate path to wealth, but traditional industries like real estate, finance, and healthcare continue to outperform the tech sector in many ways. In real estate, for example, property investments have long been a stable source of income, offering high returns without the volatility of AI coding. Similarly, in finance, positions such as wealth management and investment banking continue to be highly profitable, while healthcare remains one of the most stable and lucrative industries. While AI tech is exciting, traditional industries have consistently provided more reliable opportunities for wealth building. 6. The hidden wealth in passive income streams. Forget AI coding if you want to build long-term wealth. One of the most lucrative ways to earn money is by developing passive income streams. Whether it's through real estate investments, dividend stocks, or digital products like e-books and online courses, passive income offers a sustainable source of wealth without the constant hustle. AI coding may require you to constantly learn new skills and compete for jobs, but passive income allows for financial growth while you sleep. The true key to wealth isn't necessarily found in the fast-paced tech world, it's in creating systems that generate income without your direct involvement. 7. The untapped potential in green technologies and sustainability. While AI is often hailed as the future of technology, some of the most promising and lucrative career opportunities are emerging in green technologies and sustainability. With climate change and environmental issues at the forefront of global discussions, businesses and governments are pouring money into clean energy, waste reduction, and sustainable agriculture. These industries are not only critical for the future of the planet but are also offering significant financial opportunities for those who are invested in them. AI coding may seem trendy, but the real money is in building a sustainable future through green technologies. 8. Why entrepreneurs are making more money than AI coders. Entrepreneurship has long been a route to financial freedom, and now more than ever, entrepreneurs are finding success outside of the tech sector. With the rise of e-commerce, online businesses, and digital marketing, individuals are making huge profits without needing to code a single line of AI. AI coders often find themselves working for others or in highly competitive environments, whereas entrepreneurs can take full control of their financial future. By starting a business in areas like e-commerce, consulting, or content creation, entrepreneurs are seeing significantly greater returns compared to those working solely in the AI coding field. 9. The power of soft skills, why they're more valuable than AI expertise. While technical skills like AI coding are in demand, the real money is often in the power of soft skills, skills like communication, leadership, and negotiation. These skills are in high demand across virtually all industries, and those who can master them are well positioned for financial success. AI coding is useful, but it's often not enough to succeed in today's business world. Companies are looking for individuals who can connect with others, lead teams, and make strategic decisions. By mastering soft skills, you can unlock opportunities in high-paying roles, making soft skills more valuable than pure AI expertise. 10. AI coding is a trend, not a sustainable wealth building strategy. AI coding might seem like the future, but it's important to remember that it's just a trend, not a long-term wealth building strategy. Trends come and go, and while AI is undoubtedly significant, the tech landscape is constantly evolving. What's in demand today may not be the top skill in 5 years. Instead of focusing solely on AI coding, individuals should look for opportunities that offer more stable, long-term financial rewards. Wealth building strategies that prioritize sustainability, like real estate investments, entrepreneurship, or developing niche expertise, will continue to yield returns far beyond the fleeting AI coding trend. While AI coding may seem like the ultimate career path, the reality is that the true wealth lies in areas outside of this saturated field. Niche markets, entrepreneurship, and industries like real estate, finance, and sustainability offer more reliable and lucrative opportunities for long-term financial success. AI coding may have been the hot trend in tech, but it's not the key to lasting prosperity. Instead, focusing on specialized skills, passive income, and entrepreneurial ventures will allow for more sustainable and higher-paying opportunities. The future of wealth isn't in AI coding, it's in thinking beyond the trends and diversifying your skill set. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.